Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Hugo.
We're sell quick, ship quick, part-time resellers.
Full-time hustlers.
And today we have our second designer thread up box.
Ooh. If you haven't seen our other one, I'll make sure to tag it on here. We've done another designer box, and we also did a men's box.
All right.
Slice and dice here, huh? Very carefully.
Okay.
And precise. There you go.
All right. Hello there. Sealing deal since 2009. Sure.
Sure, yeah. It's not thread up if it's not a blue bubble.
Long chump. No, wait, is it? Yeah. I just remember seeing Denali's video when she, oh, this is a beat up bag.
Definitely.
Like it's got measles or something.
I hope it doesn't have measles.
Do measles have the bumps? What do you? Okay, so.
What is it?
I don't know.
What's in the box?
So this bag has these weird like little dimple things.
Well, I'm not a professional, but I'm gonna say this was water damaged. Partially because you can't smell it, but there is a small funk to it. Yeah, I think this is water damaged. That's why it has these bubbles.
Okay, and there's also like you can see my finger. That's my finger. This is also my finger.
Oh.
And this is also my finger. And look, there's my finger.
With that in mind, I think what I'm gonna do is take off that zipper and see if it'll sell just for the pieces.
Oh, like for the hardware?
Yeah, the hardware.
So I've never picked up a Longchamp bag. I have no idea if the hardware and stuff is
worth anything. Again, something we're gonna have to look up.
Like all this stuff looks really good. I mean, I could use it, I guess, if it doesn't sell, as just like
carry things that you want to fall out.
Well, like, what's gonna fall out of the holes?
I don't know, grains of sand, water, flour, baking soda. I don't know what you carry in your purse.
So I'm gonna, I don't even carry a purse half the time. Ooh.
Oh, another one.
Oh, this is really nice.
That is really nice.
Okay, Longchamp holes, I don't care. This Burberry bag is in really good condition. Wait, I don't know if it's supposed to be this yellow.
I think.
Is it? It looks like it's supposed to be this yellow.
Yeah, it looks too uniform. Maybe.
Okay, so this bag is in really good shape. The bottom looks really good. The only thing is like the two corner tips right here have a little tiny like scratch.
Oh wow, but the inside is there.
This is a really nice Burberry bag. Like really nice Burberry bag.
Does Burberry check bags? Can we take it in and be like, hey, you know, pick this bag up from a relative?
This is a really nice, like, in really good condition bag.
Yeah.
Okay, I forgive the long tongue. All right.
Let's do this. And here we have, this is a teddy? No.
That's not a teddy bear.
It's a...
Oh, there's your favorite.
Diane Frankenstein. Or I don't even know how to really say it.
Diane von Furstenberg.
There you go. But
100% silk.
Yeah, it's
like, I guess it's a teddy.
Yeah, I'm looking around and it doesn't have any stains on this side.
Yeah, it's in really good condition.
Yeah,
there's nothing wrong with it.
Just needs a little steaming and it's gonna be really nice. Oh, that is nice.
Alright. We got another pair of sunglasses.
What you got on this one?
Mark by Marc Jacobs.
Ooh.
Oh, it's got the little nose thing.
Ooh. I feel like she's gonna pull me over.
Oh. So I don't wear glasses because my nose like doesn't hold the glasses. But so I need like the little, you know, the little things that go inside. And this actually has it. But I would probably forget to wear them anyway. But these are really nice glasses. They're in good shape. Everything looks like all the hardware's there.
Yeah,
and
there's no scratches.
No, there's no scratches anywhere. Hey, these are really good.
I actually really like aviator glasses. I don't know these.
I'm gonna pass.
Whoop, whoop. No.
Why do I feel like you're gonna sing a song?
Because I want to sing a song.
What's the song you're gonna sing?
Whoop whoop. That's the sound of the
That's the
police.
one I thought you were gonna sing. Okay, stop. Alright, so, oh, here's a Michael Kors watch. Like Mr. T status right here.
I mean, I'm starting to feel like there's a full outfit in this box. You got the glasses. You got the gold watch. Well, probably not gold gold.
Huh?
We got the handbag. And we got a dress. I think this is an outfit.
It's a really nice, like, I mean, there's like tiny scratches on the band, like you would expect, but there's nothing really wrong with the face.
No.
The battery probably needs to be replaced.
It's nice and heavy.
All right. Ferragamos. This is a size 8B. There's no...
Major.
There's like maybe a tiny scuff on the heel on this one. There's a tiny mark on the tip of that shoe. And a tiny mark on that one. But we've sold Ferragamos in the past. My aunt really likes wearing Ferragamo shoes, so that's where we normally get our Ferragamos from.
Thank you, Aunt.
But I'm gonna clean the inside of these shoes. But otherwise, they're in pretty decent shape.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull that last one.
We got some Tory Burch. Definitely not ready to be photographed, as they are fairly grimy. I don't know if you can see.
All right,
they were used.
That doesn't look completely orange anymore.
No, and then on the heel.
That's gonna need a scrub down.
Not the heel, but the sole of the shoe, like the sole. Yeah, some of those emblems are missing because it's pretty worn in. I'll be honest, I don't know if this one's gonna be worth listing.
No, I think someone will. Well, it's because, okay, so I know a lot of people want the Tory, like, symbol thing.
I'll cut it out.
No,
I'm
I
kidding.
think they're fine. Okay, so minus, like, this part right here on both sides, it's a little worn. But, like, the back of the shoe looks fine. It just needs, like, a clean in there. And, like, a clean on the bottom.
Yeah. Well, definitely this is nice and bright.
We haven't found a lot of Tory Burch shoes.
No. I mean, before the ones we'd look for was the Tory Burch like flats, right? That would have the nice emblem on it and everything.
I don't think we've ever picked up Tory Burch.
Well, no, we never picked it up. Better look for it. I don't think so.
Are you just making things up now? Okay, so recap. The Tory Burch. We got the Marc Jacobs aviator glasses that Hugo is not going to keep.
Let me know in the comments if I should keep them. I don't know if
They're
that'll...
not even...
Well, nobody knows they're not for men.
Bling bling.
Then we have...
There's nothing that rhymes with that, huh? It's
No.
not like bling bling for the ring, because it's a watch. Alright.
We got a little silk.
Diane von Furstenberg. Man, you messed me up. I was gonna say Frankenstein. Alright. the Ferragamo shoes. We got the really good condition Burberry bag. I'm really surprised by the quality.
Yeah, that's
of
really
this one.
nice.
And then the very questionable Longchamp bag.
Yeah.
Very questionable.
But I'm curious. I like taking things apart. So I don't know if this will do well in parts in terms of the hardware.
Is there like a warranty on Longchamp? Maybe they'll...
Yeah. Void if you dunk it in water.
Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this designer box.
I have no idea what we're gonna get, but...
Yeah, this is different from our first one.
Yeah.
We didn't get any repeat, like, designers.
No.
Did we?
Brands? No.
Yeah, so no repeat designers, and no watch in the other one, but a watch in this one.
Yeah, again, have no idea, because these are just mystery boxes. You really don't know what you're gonna get.
Yeah, so if you are interested in a thread up box,
Mm-hmm.
I have
we
no...
actually have a link underneath if you're interested in your own box.
Oh, yeah, that too. But the designer boxes, the rescue boxes, or, you know, DIY designer, I have no idea when they come up. I think you just have to keep checking to see if they're available.
Yeah, I don't know if you could be on the mailing list for it too. Maybe.
Yeah.
But either way, it's a fun, I mean, especially if you're a reseller or if you like doing arts and crafts and you want pieces of it to make your own stuff. It's a fun surprise because you really don't know what you're gonna get.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching us, and
don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe.
Yeah, and hit the bell. Yeah, thank you again for joining us, and we'll catch you guys later.
Yeah. Bye-bye.